Bro, we haven't started the live stream. Chill, Ferris. Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to another live stream, guys. I was just hearing myself, so I just stopped there for a second. But guys, how's it going? Today I feel cheese. Today I feel cheese as well. Thank you so much for the cheese donation. Cheesy one. Appreciate it. Thanks for moderating the live stream as well. So guys, just started the live stream and got my $5. So my goal for today is complete. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one. I'll just go to the supermarket now, guys. Thank you so much. Take care. No, I'm just kidding. Okay. Okay, guys. So what are we doing today? Ratworks 24. I think this is the 24th episode. We're gonna basically do some maintenance as always. I mean, it is our theme now. We just working on Ratatouille because we need to. Okay, because these days I'm the only person working on this, and I actually created an issue just 2 days ago. I can show you. 1 second. Just gotta go to looking for new maintainers. So we are looking for new maintainers, guys. I think we have some candidates, and we have some people who want to work on Ratatouille and help out on stuff, but these days my availability is limited. I want to do more things, obviously, but it takes time. So yeah, I'm just spending time on maintenance on live streams and sometimes on solo time, but most of the time it's just not enough. We have so much. Okay, I'm gonna quote from Josh: so much cheese, a few rats. Okay, that's the quote from Josh. But anyways, how's it going, everybody? Ferris, how are you feeling? I mean, I know how you're feeling, but other than cheese, how are you feeling? Welcome to the stream. V Maximus 1360. How's it going, man? Let me go to Ratatouille, because I think we will need to do some testing here. So let me prepare my setup real quick. There's one issue. We can just start from here, I think. Doing actually good today. How are you? I'm feeling very cheesy. I feel 2 chromium builds, man. 2 chromium builds actually. I think it means like at least 8 hours of just waiting for chromium. So I don't know how's that. Actually, we can create a new time, like new time system, or like new clock, where we just defined the elapsed time with chromium builds. So you can actually say, last night I slept 2 chromium builds, which is around 8 hours probably, or I don't know, based on, let's just have an average, so 8 hours. So yeah, good. First, good to hear that. Actually, I need to go back on that project and build chromium from source. Man, you just reminding me the stuff that I need to do. I feel bad. Anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna dive into it, guys. There's some issues that I want to look into, basically. So let's see. Problem. Dude, I cannot read today. Problem with the styling of aligned lines. Just move the set style line to after computer indented area. I think there was a similar issue before about this. I think it was I don't know how I'm gonna find it though. Let me try to find it. There was a similar issue. So the problem here is if we fix this one thing, it's gonna break the other thing, and the other thing is breaking the other thing makes less sense. So I think the verdict here is let's not break this thing. Yeah, don't do anything. Yeah, let's mark this as one fix. I'll try to find the other issue either way. I think it was related to text again. Thank you for sending those 100 emojis. Whoever's sending those, thank you so much. That's amazing. I just feel like I'm keeping it 100 now. Dude, how am I gonna find that though? Alignment. I remember I commented on one of the issues, but there's probably not an easy way to find it because there are a lot of issues. I don't remember the details as well, so kind of lost here. Yeah, maybe it's on the first page. I'll just try to find it for 15 seconds and I'll give up if I cannot find it. Yeah. Yeah, I think this one was it. Nope. Okay, give me 15 more seconds, guys. Give me 15 more. Maybe it was a discussion. I don't. What do you guys think about GitHub discussions and issues? Like, do you guys feel like there's an overlap in terms of functionality between GitHub issues and discussions, or do you find GitHub discussions useful? What are your thoughts on that? I'm curious now because I feel like now I need to go through the issues and the discussions. I mean, it's basically the same thing right now. Anyways, I couldn't find it. Anyways, moving on. Let's move on to some other stuff. I'm just trying to find the next thing. 1 second. Okay, there's this one, which is pretty important, I think. This is a performance improvement on Ratatouille. Eliminate per frame vec allocation in terminal flash. This PR removes the vec allocation terminal flash when calling buffer diff A new method, buffer diff iter, is instead used by terminal flash. The existing diff implementation has moved to the buffer diff iterator. Why? Who cares? It's the mice. On a mid device is allocating a short-lived contiguous block of up to 50 kilobytes is problematic due to heap fragmentation combining with tiny heaps. Yeah. Just update the branch real quick. It actually sounds pretty good. I gotta refresh it. I'm gonna pull the changes here as well. Disarm mousetrap. That's a good branch name. That's a pretty good branch name, I'm gonna lie. We should make a Ratatouille competitor library called Mousetrap. Okay, don't steal that idea, okay? Yeah, don't do it. I was just kidding, don't do it. I gotta open up the file explorer thing. Okay, diff iter. So this is the part where we do the diff. Seems pretty clean. Gotta go to buffer rs. Mm, 526. So let's see what this is doing. Builds a minimal sequence of coordinates and cells necessary to update the UI from self to other. I'm not sure actually. Yeah, it's just the same comment, I think. This diff iter is public, right? Okay, it's public, so we should have this function. We should simplify the doc comment for this. Guys, give me a second. Something is lagging so hard right now. I'm trying to kill some things that are running in the background. Okay. Also deduplicate. Okay, let's do that. So basically this logic over here is extracted into a new module, which is, oh, is this a breaking change? No, it's not, right? Yeah, it's the same signature, so it should be fine. And then this is split into diff iter module over here, which is doing the whole iteration and diffing. Okay. Looks pretty clean. Trailing state. So this is where we start doing the diff, I think. No, is this... Wait, new? I don't have that function. Oh, okay. Okay, it's here. So this is creating the iterator. Offer diff error. Is this a new thing? Did we handle that before? Interesting. Did we... And this is where we actually do the diff. Which looks pretty good, I think. Why are we updating this? Oh, it's the actual flash optimization, I think. So yeah, it's, instead of diff iterator, we're just diffing here. No, the other way around. Basically, we're just using the iterator in flash now, which means we are no longer allocating in the flash. Okay, it's pretty good. If you're gonna panic, then what's the point of having the error type? If you're panicking either way. I'm not sure. Do we really need to find our own error type? Should we maybe looks pretty good. This looks pretty good, to be honest. Just had some questions. All right, moving on. There's a PR from Mousefood, the embedded backend. Anybody tried Mousefood in the chat? Add readme MD4 ESP32 STD demo. I think this is fine. Just need to tweak some stylistic stuff. Gotta do that real quick. Basically, in this PR, we are adding documentation for one of the examples, and that's it, I think. Go to this branch. Let's see the pin diagram. I'm not sure if we should add it to assets. Probably it's fine to add it there. The examples have a readme now. Mousefoot examples. I'm not sure if this style is correct. I don't like this style that much, so I'm gonna just change it. All right, let's have a look. Looking good. And this one specifically adds a documentation for the STD demo over here. So let's see. I get a link to this board over here. I don't think this is T-display S3 though. T-display. This is AI generated, I can tell, because of all these bold text in the markdown. I think this is all right now. I updated this style a bit. This should be all right to go. Okay, moving on. All right, let's see this one. This was again about the embedded optimizations, I think. Just gonna change the music 1 second. Hello, welcome to the stream. Introduce internal salvage trait for salvage computation. 1 second. I'd go with making this public, but it's always a good idea to should we maybe add this as a I think this is good though. All right. Cool, moving on. Remove layout cache feature and always use the LRU. Let's create a wait, I don't think we had the feature in Ratatouille 29. Where is it? 29? Dude, okay, there you go. Yeah. This mainly concerns embedded applications. This. And I have a feeling there might be Are you using an extension to have key bindings in Firefox? No, not really. Are you? Do you recommend it? I thought of doing that, but I'm not actually. Do we have any documentation on what the layout cache is doing actually? We don't have any documentation about that. Oh, maybe we had it in the layout module somewhere. Cache management. These are not sufficient for the applications. Okay, there you go. Would be nice to have, I think. Yeah, I agree, but I don't know. I haven't tried it yet. I think it was a mergeable state. Also, I don't remember what remained to be done. Damn. I'm just taking a look at stuff. Trying to find the next issue to look at, basically. Okay. There were some PRs that were actually approved but haven't merged, so how can I find those approved? Do the filter? Just gonna merge some of them. Good morning, chat. Hello guys, welcome to another live stream. Just working on Ratatouille. It's good to have you, Shingo, by the way, because I was just about to jump to Gitcliff stuff. Shingo is the co-maintainer of Gitcliff now, by the way. So yeah, I'm paying him like a lot of cheese. All types of cheese. I'm shipping to Japan every month, so all good. Hello, welcome. I'm gonna just merge this one. Just gonna YOLO merge hella PRs now. Rig is now using Gitcliff, but we need a way to celebrate our contributors because I noticed the last update is now almost entirely contributors. Wow, dude. I should see that for myself. Okay, there you go. I'm curious. Changelog. Changelog, where's the changelog? Okay, maybe it's in the releases. Okay, I'm lost. Okay, it's the PR. Don't have to push yourself to work on Gitcliff right now, just enjoy your live stream. No, that was my plan already, so all good, man. Are you using release please as well? Looks like it. Dude. How many crates do you guys have? Okay, I see. Looks like it generated a somewhat clean changelog. So it's good to see, at least it's working. Cool. Nice. Millions. Yeah, I saw that, man. Jesus. But nice. I'm glad you're using Gitcliff. Great stuff. Oh, I found the issue. I was just trying to find this one, I think. I should be fine though. Inherit the text alignment for paragraph. So when we say align this, let me see. I'm not sure about this actually. I approved it already, but I'm like, okay, this is gonna change. This might be breaking for a lot of apps actually. If they were not aware of this and they basically it's a behavior breaking change. Consider this case. For example, imagine you have Alright, Shingo. But after this change, So maybe we should document this in changes. However, I agreed that this is the behavior that makes sense. This is quite different from how I maintain. Usually just merge if CI passes and it changes, fine. I mean, I was just about to do that as well. I mean, I approved it a while ago, but then I take a look again and then, yeah, it might be problematic, I realized. So I'm just gonna throw that out there. Yeah, paying that JPEG, man. At a custom marker. What happened here? Actually, we might probably merge this. I don't remember what Josh said. Not you, Josh, the other Josh said. It's probably fine to merge. Too many people in the world named Josh these days, yeah. Maybe I should make an alias like one of those crypto degen guys. Man. What would be your alias then? What is in your mind? I'm just gonna merge this, by the way, YOLO. I'm just gonna bypass the rules. Bypassing the rules, man, let's go. We have so many PRs, man. We're so cooked. Oh my god. These are all abandoned. I think this was good, so I'm gonna just merge this one. Oops. To be honest, for abandoned PRs, I usually just fix them up if they look good. Besides conflicts and stuff, they needs to be updated. Yeah, there. I think at this point there will be a lot of conflicts, and some of them are not that in good shape. So we kind of like abandoned them in case anyone wants to implement similar things. They can just reuse some of the parts. But yeah, they're just abandoned, and some of them we didn't want to close because Josh created them and we respect him. That's literally the reason. We're like, okay, if Josh created a PR, then we'll just keep it around because we trust him. He knows what he's doing. I mean, it is what it is. Alright, I'm gonna just merge this one as well. Custom marker. Actually, where are we adding the custom marker? Where are we adding the custom marker? To the symbol for the canvas, for the chart. What is marker anyways? Okay, symbol. So symbol. Alright, moving on to other stuff. Diff for trailing cells when only style changes. This is very related to what I've reviewed in the beginning of the live stream, I think. Oh no. What was the diff iter? What was the name of that struct? Diff iter or something? Yeah. Should we include it like this? Diff iter. Add support for configuring borders. I don't even remember what this was about. It's probably in good shape. So many unrelated changes though. Yeah, I mean, I'm not sure. He might include this in the one of the major releases. It's probably not so urgent though. Let me see. Let me add it to the milestone. Why is this failing? MSRV, didn't I already update the MSRV for this? Yeah, I did. Is this still relevant? Calendar RS. Wait. Ratatouille widgets. So it's basically updating the import. So if I run this, I mean, it seems like it's running fine, so. Calendar. I think it's also the other widgets as well, or no? Oh, just the imports are changed. Okay, that's fine, probably. Yeah. So it's fine. Fix import for examples. Examples. Fix import for widget examples. There we go. Oops. Yeah, probably need to apply formatting to this, so gotta style run formatter. YOLO. Oh no, I cannot push. Damn. No, I cannot because it's on the main branch. God damn it. Oh man. Takes imports. YOLO. I cannot push to that branch. Damn it. Let me create another PR then. Creating another PR because I can't push to. Okay, there we go. Would love to contribute to RC, but not sure where to start yet. I'm thinking it might be best to build something with it first. That's a good idea. Yeah, definitely agree with that. You'll see a lot of missing things, and like, not a lot, but like, definitely gonna you'll see what's missing there and what you want to work on. So yeah, build something with it, man. I'm gonna YOLO this one actually. I just YOLO'd this one. All right. Closing this one for now. I think this was never like this never happened, because I think this was a. Guys, 1 second. I'm getting a call. This was, I think, a hallucination, because I don't know. I'll post the link to the chat. You can look into it if you want, but it seems like it was an hallucination, so I'll just close it. MSRV. How am I gonna find the PR? Okay, there you go. I think this should be good to go now. Performance baseline. This should be, wait, we're gonna change the API and the diff iterator thing though, right? I'm gonna change the API, so but where are we running the diff actually? I don't see it. But this should be good to go. This should be good to go now. Take care, Josh. It was nice to see you. I think this has much overlap with I already reviewed this. Nothing happened, so I'm just gonna keep waiting. I remember about this one. I'm just gonna convert this to draft. This was fine. I think I can just merge this. Alright, I'm gonna wait for the CI and just gonna merge it. I think I'll do a little bit more, around 20 minutes or 15 minutes. I'm just gonna go to the gym, guys. So if you want me to check out anything in the meantime, just let me know. Anything urgent about my project or anything that you want to share, ask, or I don't know, confess, just let me know. Oh my god, what's going on? Everything's failing. Oh, I messed up there, probably. I don't know what I did, but I messed up. No urgent one from my side. Okay, cool. What did I do, man? Why did I mess up here? What happened? Oh, it's a double. Now it's just double indentation. Sorry, not indentation, double curly braces. It's just annoying. There are at least 6 Gitcliff things that I need to check today. So yeah, just saying, just making a mental note for myself. Lychee link checking it. CI is so flaky, by the way. Yeah, I'm thinking maybe we should just skip all the non-GitHub links or something like that, or just check the only check the important ones. Like we probably don't care about Alpine Linux wiki, do we? We probably don't. So we can just like skip those, I think. And just check the, I don't know, GitHub releases or like the website. I think the website is most important. Yeah, maybe only check the website links. What do you think? This looks good. This looks good, I think. Cool, thank you, Shingo. Appreciate it. There's a slight styling issue. All right, cool. I'll probably merge this now. Can we close this issue? All right. Cool. So we're down to 50 PRs, guys. I think good progress in this live stream. Not sure if there's anything else that I want to look into now. Okay, I'm just taking a look at what has changed just for the changelog. All right, we're moving forward, guys. We are moving forward. So yeah, that's probably all from me today. Thanks for joining. I'll try to do more of these streams, hopefully. There's some stuff happening right now, so I'm a bit busy with those, but we'll get there. So yeah, I don't know, keep hanging around, guys. Join Discord, there's a link in description. Just gonna keep cooking. Never stop, always grind. Again, thanks for joining. Shingo, Josh, whoever joined. Ferris, I don't know if Ferris is still around, but thank you for the donation as well. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. I'm just ending the stream. Watch now. Yeah, maybe we'll catch up on the next one, bro. Take care, guys.